So first of all, you're gonna need some mellow chords just like this. Next thing, you're gonna wanna layer those chords with another sound. So I layered those chords with this. And then next, what you're gonna need is now you're gonna start setting up your drums. And then you get this. And another shaker. In my drop, I included another shaker here. And then I had a synth inside there as well, just a simple sound. I also included some piano as well, but I also did a bit of freestyle on the piano and had some sections where I was also playing with my keyboard. Then I had the normal machine, sorry. And I also added this atmospheric sound here as well. And then before my drop, I use this as my bass. I just tried to use like a Sgija sounding log drum. And then I had a little vox here as well. Just something extra, not use the normal classical snare. So anyone who knows that it's sort of like the same thing we used to do with 808s, I just did it with the log drum as well. This is the same chords, but I've half sped them. So this is just the chords, and they've got like some reverb on, super massive. For the break, I used the same chords again, but what I just did, I just cut them up so that it just sounds like they're moving and stopping. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I will play the beat back to back